Good morning, students. Today we are going to read Right Against Exploitation. Okay, and you also know about that. Your right to education. One thing is there. Right to education was included in your constitution in 2002 for first time as our fundamental right. It means state shall provide free and compulsory education below the age of 14 years. 6 to 14 years children have right to education. Okay. Earlier they give no importance to this, but 2002 they know about the importance and they try to involve the student of below 14 years ki it's compulsory education to them. Okay, state will provide free education. If someone is not able to pay the fee, they can take the education in free mode. Okay, and compulsory for all. And your right against exploitation mean कि prohibition of traffic in human beings, कि all of forms of forced labor and begar without paying money. We cannot take any work forcefully from your labor and your women. If if human beings are not ready willingly to do the work, we cannot take the work from them. This one is prohibited. Okay, and the second one is your prohibition of employment, कि below 14 years no children can work in factory, mine and your hazards occupation where life is not secured. And this one is also prohibited, कि below 14 years no one take the work from them. And someone we have seen in earlier, we have seen that when we are sitting in a dhaba, on that time someone said, hey Chotu, you will take that thing. Okay, this one is also prohibited. Mean कि all below 14 years they have right to work, right to education, not to work. No one can take the work from them. Okay, and right to information. Right to information is there, कि everyone in fundamental rights, it also included in fundamental rights in 2005, कि we have the take the information from government officers as well as private, कि if they are not working according to situation and according money released by the government, and department are not going to spend the money on a particular work that issued money issued for a particular work, we can ask from them कि why we have not you have not spent the money on that, any road, any construction work, and we take the information from them. And it's the duty of the your departments to give the information. Okay, and now when we started when we have the right to information, on that time every department going to do the work as a transparent. Okay, and next one is your right to freedom of religion, कि right to profess, practice and propagate any religion, कि freedom of conscience, कि we have the right to profess. If I want to join, I want to adopt any religion, no one can deny me. Okay, we can propagate in our religion, no one denied us. And we have freedom of religious, we can manage any institution related with our religion. Okay, it's own affair, we are going to work, but we have the right to freedom. That's why right to freedom of religion, that's why we can set up any religious institution, whether you're Sikh schools, whether you're Christian schools, whether you're Hindu schools, no one, any institution we can, because we have right to freedom of religion. And state will not collect any taxes for promotion of any particular religion, कि state will not take any type of taxes from any religion, because in class 7th you have read about that, कि during Mughal rule they collected the jizya tax from Hindus. Okay, on that time condition was not condition was so worst, and Hindu religion always pay the jizya tax, always pay the tax implemented by your by Mughal emperor on Hindu religion. But there is situation is changed now in our country, because our country is a secular country. No one can take any type of tax on a particular religion. Okay, no religious instruction can be imparted educational institution, no religious instruction can be given by your state government or whether your central government to a particular in the educational institution that, and wholly partly maintained auto state fund, and your state fund ki which is wholly or partly maintained auto state fund, state did never release the fund to a particular religion, because all religions are equal in the eye of your state. Up to here we will read, and you also prepare yourself for coming test on tomorrow. Okay, first and second chapter of your geography section. Thank you.